All set for the important meeting? Prepared all your content, facts, and figure? What if I tell you there's one more thing which you need to take care to win this deal over this meeting? And this is something which is going to decide whether you get the deal or you lose the deal. It's that important. And it is your first impression. An impression which the other person forms of you within the 5 to 10 seconds of meeting you, based on which he or she decides whether they want to continue the relationship with you or reject you right there. The way it works is it's like brain computes at the lightning speed and presents you with the report card of the person you're meeting. Based on that report card, you see whether the other person is trustworthy or not. Can he be friend or not? Is he someone who's approachable or not? And based on that, one decides whether they want to build the relationship with the other person or not. Now, why do we actually form first impressions? Well, its origin is from our survival instinct. We as humans, when we used to live in the jungle, there was no language. The only way when we used to be encountered with either the animals or another tribe, we used to use our survival instinct, our impression about the other person to decide whether we're going to fight or flight from that situation. And from then, the concept of first impression has become an integral part of human species. We are in autopilot mode when we are building first impression of other people. In the studies, it's been said that men and women who are involved in hiring people, they decide in the very first 30 seconds whether they're going to hire the other individual or just reject him right there. So that's the importance of first impression. It is either helping you or hurting you. You need to decide whether it's in your favor or not. Now, a couple of things which you can do to build a great first impression is: first, take care of your body language. Make sure that you give a right handshake, you have a right eye contact, and your hands are open. Second thing which you can take care of is dress apart when you're going for such important meetings. You cannot climb the ladder of success dressed in a costume of failure. So do consider that what you're wearing is appropriate with respect to the place you're going. And first impression is something not just at formal occasions. It also plays a role in your personal and social occasions as well. So one thing you must remember, your first impression is either going to be at your favor or not, and you can take care of it. Read my blog on how to make good first impressions to leave a mark and understand more around it. Do leave your comments and let me know what else do you want me to write about. Thank you so much. Have a great day.